In this video, I'll be showing you how to switch back to a personal account on Instagram. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, let's say you have a professional account or a business account, but you don't want to be using that anymore. You just want to switch back to a personal account so you have access to different things and it doesn't show that you have a business account. So all you want to do is open up your Instagram application. Then on the bottom right, go ahead and click on your profile icon. Now, you know mine's a professional account because it says professional dashboard. So now what I want to do is on the top right, press the three lines and it's going to say settings and activity. Now what I want to do from here is scroll down and under for professionals, it's going to say account type and tools. So go ahead and click on that. Then all I want to do is go over to account type. And as you can see, it shows that I'm on a professional account. So all I'm going to do is go over to other and then it's going to show me any different things. But if it doesn't say switch there, then just go back. Now what we want to do is go over to account privacy. And if I try and make my private account, it's going to say switch to private. So I can switch to it, but it says cannot be switched because it's not personal. Now, once you're in here at the very top, you're going to see account type again. And it says professional 1K plus followers. Go ahead and click on it. And then it says you have access to tools for ads, monetization, and messaging, as well as a set of core tools, including channels and live. But then next to it, with little blue text, it's going to say switch account type. Then it's going to say switch to personal account. Go ahead and click on that. It's going to say switch to personal account again. It's going to show you what you're going to lose access to. Then just press switch to personal account. Now, you just got to wait for this loading screen to go ahead and finish. But sometimes Instagram does bug out. So if it's like on this screen for over a minute, then what you just want to go ahead and do is it says switch to personal account. But what you can do is just swipe out and then open it again and then it should work. But as you can see now I'm on personal. Now what I can do is go back to account privacy and switch my profile back to private. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.